Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really do appreciate it. So I recently passed 15,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel and I'm really happy. So for you guys who are subscribed to my channel, I really want to take some time out just to say thank you guys so much and to let you know that I really do appreciate it. So my goal for 2019 is to take my channel somewhere between 50 and 100,000 subscribers, and with your help, I will definitely meet my goal. So please continue to watch my content and continue to share my content with as many people as you possibly can. Once again, thank you so much. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about 28 skills that you need to succeed in today's market and also in the very near future. So if you want to learn exactly what these 28 skills are, then make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people to start their own businesses on the internet. I've been running my own internet-based businesses for over 2 years now, where I've been doing dropshipping, affiliate marketing, building a personal brand on YouTube. So if you want to learn from someone who has been doing it, then make sure you get subscribed to my channel. Click the red button just below my video, and if you want to get notified of all my future video uploads, make sure you tap that notification bell. Alright, so with that said, let me dive right into it and talk to you guys about these 28 skills that you will need to develop if you want to succeed as an internet marketer, as an internet entrepreneur today and in the very near future. So guys, let me start by saying that most of these 28 skills that I'm going to be outlining for you are super easy to learn. You can actually learn any of these skills on Udemy, and most of the times these courses cost as low as $10 per piece. So you can actually take courses on Udemy and within a couple of weeks you can learn most of these skills. So I'm going to leave links in the video description to almost all of these courses that you can actually take to develop these skills. By the way guys, these skills are not listed in any specific order, so it's totally up to you to decide which ones you should start working on first. But if you're not versed in any of these skills that I'm going to be listing off for you, I highly recommend that you start working on developing these skills if you want to be relevant in the near future economy. So these are the skills required to actually be successful in this current economy, but these skills will be in high demand in the very near economy as well. So it's not too late to start working on and developing these skills. Okay, so the first 5 skills on my list are behavior psychology, storytelling, data analysis, research, design, and user experience. And by design, I mean web design, internet design, and user experience. Those are the first 5 skills, followed by branding and positioning, copywriting, business development, conversion rate optimization, and events planning. That is also followed by search engine optimization, paid advertising on different platforms, public relations, creating viral content, and selling. So as you can see, I'm way down the list of skills that you should be developing if you want to succeed in this current economy. I really do hope that you have been taking notes. Maybe you have been writing down these skills so far. Okay, so that is followed by graphic design. That is a very important skill as well in this day and age. Split testing, you have to learn split testing, A/B testing. You have to learn video marketing because that is the next big thing right now. Video is actually in its prime and it's continuing to grow, so you have to learn video marketing as well. Statistics and Excel, you have to learn how to do math. You have to learn the math behind the data. So it's very important to understand how to use Excel or some other form of statistical analysis tool. The next skill that you have to learn and develop is funnel marketing. HTML and CSS is still very much important and relevant. Customer experience is very important as well, and community. You have to understand how to actually build and engage with your community, as that is the direction in which the world is actually going. Community, everything is community based. The next 5 skills, which are the last skills on this list, to make the 28 skills that you should be working on right now if you want to actually succeed in this economy and also in the very near future economy are email and email marketing, content marketing, which is something I talk about a lot. You'll also need to work on multimedia. So you have to know how to create different forms of content, whether it be written content, audio content, video content, whatever it is, you have to understand multimedia marketing. You have to work on partnerships as well. Networking is very important in this current economy, and it will be ever so more important as we go forward. All right, so after you have partnership, the final skill that I have on this list that I want you to work on developing is social media marketing. So I recently created a video where I spoke about the 4 best ways to market any business in 2019, and social media was at the top of that list. That is where attention is, so it's very important that you fully learn social media marketing and understand how to use it to grow your personal brand and your business. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 28 skills that I highly recommend that you work on developing right now if you want to succeed in this current economy and in the economy of the very near future. All right, so I really do hope you found this information very helpful. And if you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you know someone who should get this information, please take some time out to share this video with them. And also, if you have any questions, or maybe you just want to say thank you so much for this information, let me know in the comments. And finally, before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because just like this video packed with value, I'm always putting out great quality content to tell you guys exactly how to start and grow your business online. All right, so with that said, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.